you have seen about their two major occupations. One was the jhum cultivation and the other one was hunting and gathering. Now let's move on to the third occupation, which is herding animals. Some of the tribal members also herded and reared animals, and the chief among them were the Van Gujjars of Punjab and Labadis of Andhra Pradesh, who were cattle herders. Then came in the Gaddis of Kullu, who were shepherds, and of course the Bakkarwals of Kashmir, who reared sheep. So this was their third major occupation. The fourth and the last major occupation was some of them also later on became settled cultivators. Now, after some time, the tribal people did not like to move from one place to another, practice jhum cultivation, and they wanted to settle down at a place. Therefore, they started with settled cultivation. And for this, the first thing was that they started the use of plough, and slowly got the right to the ownership of land from the British. This was a great major step which had entered into their life. If I talk of the Munda group, then amongst the Mundas, generally the entire land belonged to the entire tribe. That is, hectares and hectares of land, supposing but just belonging to the entire group and not an individual property. Everybody working on the fields and at the end of the harvest dividing the share amongst themselves. Of course, some members of the Munda group became more powerful than the others and rose to the position of a chief. Generally, he was a strong person, a powerful person who rose to become the chief of the tribal. And the Britishers felt that the Gonds and the Santals were more civilized and better tribal group than the rest of the tribals because they had started leading a settled life.